Today I'm going to show you how I do a smoky winged liner on hooded eyes. You know your eyes are hooded if the skin here covers your eyelid almost completely. I'm starting by putting some concealer on my lid and then setting it with just a skin tone eyeshadow. Next I'm applying tape, and you want to follow the angle of your lower lash line. I'm starting with a dark brown shade and creating that initial wing with a little angle brush. The thickest part of your wing should be in this outer corner right here, and the thinnest part should be in the inner corner. Then I'm taking a slightly lighter brown shade and a tiny little blending brush, and I'm blending out that line. Then using a lighter brown shade and a fluffy blending brush, I'm blending everything together. I'm going back in with the black shadow and my angle brush and darkening the lash line a little bit. Follow the downward angle of your upper lash line and create that inner wing. Connect the wing just slightly with your lower lash line, and then use that little tiny blending brush to blend everything together. Going back in with the fluffy brush one more time just to make sure everything is seamlessly blended. Then take the tape off to get that crisp line. I'm lightly dusting my lower lash line with the lightest brown. You want that dark brown shade to go high enough to reach the top of your eye, so I'm going back in and just touching that up to make sure it all blends together. Next I'm applying mascara just to my top lashes. Then I'm applying the House of Lashes Iconic Lashes. These lashes are the best for hooded eyes or downturned eyes. Then I'm just applying some Lunar Beauty Dreamy Lip Gloss, and we are all done. If you know someone else with hooded eyes, tag them below and be sure to follow me for more tutorials.